Hey everyone, it's Johnny Zhang from the Aiea team. Welcome to one of our newest listings here in beautiful Aiea. This is a 4-bed, 3-bath built in 2006 with beautiful ocean views and a long list of upgrades throughout. One of the biggest highlights of this home is the energy setup. You've got 26 solar panels owned outright, 2 Tesla batteries, a solar water heater, and even a 220-volt fast charger. Inside, the home feels open, bright, and completely move-in ready. The kitchen was remodeled in 2018 with granite countertops, shaker cabinets, and plenty of space to gather. And staying cool is easy with 6 split AC units, upgraded ceiling fans throughout, and double-pane windows to keep the home quiet and comfortable. Now this might be my favorite part. You get incredible ocean and sunset views from the brand new outdoor Trex decking, complete with sleek glass railing. Follow me and let's come check out what's downstairs. Now from the garage, we enter the downstairs living space, complete with wet bar, bedroom, and a full bathroom. Outside, we have a brand new sod installation, a French drain, and parking for up to 6 in the expanded driveway. And the location is hard to beat. You're just minutes away from Pearl Harbor, Hickam, the airport, and Pearl Ridge Center. If you're interested in learning more, contact us below, and thanks for watching.